I hope that you join us in our proven routine here at Kiwi Lane that we will share with you, and that over time you'll continually to master that routine. But it has changed the way that I have scrapbooked, on top of course the Play to Create system, but ultimately just working that, how to work that in. I know that another challenge is how to make time for scrapbooking in your lives, and this routine really will help you do just that. It has changed that for me, even with 5 kids and running a business and all of that. I want to make time for this beautiful hobby. It brings me joy, and it is important for us to show others that are close to us in our lives that it's okay to make time for things that you enjoy. And so we're gonna do just that with this membership. So yes, it's exciting to get the new kit every month, but when you get that new kit, let it be a reminder to you how valuable it is to make that time, and then to kickstart that routine, to go and RSVP for the events, put them on your calendar, set up the reminders to notify you on those events on your calendars, right? That's super beneficial. I always make sure to add them to my calendars because that's how it happens. There's a good old saying that if it's not in the scrapbook, it didn't happen. Well, if it's not on the calendar, it's not going to happen. And so we want to put it on the calendar to make time, right? Make time is the key here. And then of course, we're going to guide you through steps to ultimately build a consistent rhythm to allow you to make the time for things that you enjoy in your life, but also to complete some beautiful pages. You don't have to just wait for the next crop or the next occasion that you're going to. You can build this into your monthly routine, okay? And so maybe some months you might miss. Life happens, right? But you can jump right back in, and we have a community full of club members that are waiting and engaging with you to motivate you, to celebrate with you those finished pages. Okay, I better stop while I'm ahead because I could go on and on and on about how awesome the Kiwi Club membership is. I'm so excited for you to experience it yourself. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Let us know. Email the team at support@kiwilane.com. They are amazing. They will help you out. Let us know in the community chat for the members. We'll answer any questions you have there. We don't want you to miss out. So if you have any questions, again, just let us know. All right, until then, we'll see you in the community. Bye now.